Hi Eryn, this is Cameron. What I'm going to show you how to do today is how we can get Gravity Forms up and running for your nanny application, your family application, how you can edit them, and how you can create them if you ever need to in the future. Your admin panel, your dashboard, and go to WP admin right here, and then you'll go to your dashboard. What we're going to do is we're going to copy the information from your old contact form. So I'm going to contact on the left, into your family application, and as what you told me before, there's a family address, house number, all that's required. See right there where it says required. So what we're going to do is you can go up to forms on the left hand side. It's there on the dash, and then I'm going to delete the one I previously did. Under existing applications or forms, applications in your case, you can go to edit, settings, entries. Those are entries that people submit. You can preview what it looks like, duplicate or delete. For now, I'm going to go up here and I'm going to click add new. It's going to be called family application, and the description is pretty easy. I'm going to click create form. Then from here, how you add these fields into your form, what we're going to do is you can add a single line, you can add checkboxes, which you've used a lot. You can also add drop downs, which we have, paragraph text, which you also have. You can go to advanced fields here on the right. We're going to have names, we're going to have addresses, we're going to have emails. So for now I just clicked on those. To get them onto here, you don't have to double click, you just left click once and it'll show up. So if you want to remove some of them, you hover over them and you can click delete, you can click duplicate if you want to duplicate it, but in this case I'm going to click delete just like that. So for these, you can also edit by clicking here on this name, or you can edit by clicking up here. And when you edit, it'll pull up options for that specific field. Like on the drop downs, you can add, you can subtract, you can rename them. You can say child 1, or how many children do you have, for example. Do you have, and then you can say 1, you can say 2, you can say 3. Now just so you know, for your reference, I'll go up to standard fields here. For your reference, I'm going to stop editing this because we're done. But checkboxes are where you can select multiple things on the list. Radio buttons are where you only can choose one of those options. So you can use either one of those. From there, we had addresses and names. What you can do is you click on that. Field label is what it's going to be called. So you can say family name. You can say family name on that. Then you can stop editing. You click update form when you're done. And now, form settings is going to be useful for you, but what would really be useful is when you click up here, you go to forms. You can edit these. You can edit, you can go to settings, you can go to confirmation, so that it sends confirmation emails to you and the client. You can set those up. I'll click on that for you here. Default confirmation, you can edit, you can add new with this button right here. Just like that. You can also go back to your form editor, and you can preview what it's going to look like. So that shows you what it's going to look like. Pretty cool. It looks a lot better than your other plugin. How you actually get one of these forms on your pages is you'll go to your page, and then you go down to your family application. Okay? What we're going to do is we're going to change this. I'm just going to add it here at the bottom. You can click on add form here. So you select a form, and from there click on family application, because that's one we're going to want to do. You want to display form title, You want to display the description if you want to. That part's optional. Ajax, I would go ahead and recommend it at this point. Go ahead and click Insert Form, and there it is. Now that will show up on your actual page. And we're all done.